Imagine being alone in a dark grave, surrounded by the silence of the dead. This is QABAR night, a reality that every human being will face after death. In Islam, QABAR night is the first stage of the afterlife. It's the time between death and resurrection, when the soul is questioned by the angels Munkar and Nakir. The angels will ask the soul, "Who is your Lord? What is your religion? Who is your prophet?" If the soul answers correctly, the angels will expand the grave, making it spacious and comfortable. But if the soul fails to answer, the angels will make the grave constricted and punishing. QABAR night is a reminder that our actions in this life will determine our comfort or punishment in the grave. It's a time for reflection and a call to live a righteous life, following the teachings of the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. So let us prepare for QABAR night by living a life of faith, obedience, and compassion. May Allah protect us from the torment of the grave and grant us a peaceful and blessed journey to the hereafter.